I'm Tanaga July, and we are at Thornpark Garden Villas, and I'm your host.
Wonderful.
So please come through.
Okay.
We have a total of 5 apartments here at Thornpark Garden Villas.
Okay.
But for now, because we have other people in the other villas, I'll just show you 2.
Beautiful.
So this is a 2-bed villa.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so we'll start with the lounge. As you can see, it's got
this is beautiful.
Kitchen. Thank you. It's got an open plan kitchen. Then you've got access to DSTV. There's unlimited Wi-Fi as well. We've got solar backup. Then
This is really nice.
We have our bedrooms.
Wow. Oh, this is really nice.
Thank you. So
it smells nice.
Thank you. So it's got an ensuite as well.
Okay.
So we do offer housekeeping services as well.
Okay.
Yes. Then the second bedroom is right here. So if you have guests, they can use this one, and they have their.
Can you just hold this so I can test the bed and make sure it's comfortable? Is it up to standard?
You tell me.
Oh, it's very comfortable. I like it.
All right.
Comfortable.
So there's a nice outside view there. Important information is that it's only $75 per night.
Okay, $75 a night.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have packages like the more you stay, there's a discount? How does that work?
Yes. So if you stay for a week, that's 5% discount. Then 2 weeks is 10%. Then for monthly rates, we usually give based on negotiation. But this one is 1.5 if you're staying for a month.
For a month, 1.5.
Yes. So if you do the math, it's big discount from 75 per day.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's our 3-bed, but I can't show you because there's someone inside.
Okay.
Then that block over there, it's got 2 3-bedroom apartments. Then the one in the middle where we're going is a 1-bed villa. So you can come through.
Do you do like car hiring or no?
Yes, we do, but we outsource.
Okay.
But we can arrange that as well.
Okay, so if someone came, you'd be able to arrange that for them?
Yes, we can arrange shuttle service, airport pickup.
Okay.
If that's what you're asking.
Yes,
That
okay.
as well. Because most of our guests, sometimes it's their first time to Zimbabwe, so we make sure the trip is comfortable all the way from the airport.
Okay.
So I think one thing you can pick up is there's a lot of space here.
Yes.
Yeah, so you can do even picnics here. Lawn is perfect for having your picnics, your braais. So you can have that here. Then we have, that's a current project that we're doing. That's a car park. So we'll be having an in and then an out there.
I love it.
So let's go to our baby. It's
The one bed.
Yes, the smallest one.
So what kind of people come with one bed? Like couples, singles?
Sometimes we find that there are people who are coming for business meetings and it's only one person. So that person might not want to stay in a hotel, but at the same time they want a room which is just for them. So they use this 1 bed, or even a couple.
Okay.
Yeah. So much like the 2 beds, it's got access to DSTV, then unlimited Wi-Fi.
Unlimited Wi-Fi indeed.
Yeah. People ask Wi-Fi for water.
Exactly. It's like necessity.
But we do have water in this bowl. Because it's Harare, so you need a place where there's clean bowl water, and we do have that here. So there's a small kitchen there, which is fully furnished.
Really nice for you as well.
You want to test the bed as well?
Yes. I love a comfortable. I won't stay anywhere where there's no comfortable bed.
Yeah,
so
true.
I have to know that it's comfortable. It's Rodna approved.
Yes, thank you.
A good bed is important.
Yeah, true.
Especially when you're on holiday.
Because if you're gonna do like a month, you definitely need somewhere you
need to be comfortable.
Yeah. So yeah, for today.
The bathroom. Oh, this bathroom is nice. This is nice.
So I don't know if you have any questions that you might want to ask. Want to know.
Do you have a website? How do you get customers?
Okay, so we're working on our website, but we have in Airbnb. We're on Airbnb. We're on Facebook.
How long have you guys been running this place?
Let's say from 2017.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it used to be just that cottage there, which is the cottage we were in.
Yeah.
2-bed. So we started with that, and then we built this block. So I think from 2017 up to now.
What's your job? What do you do?
So I'm the host, property management host, and then selling. That's what I do.
And what would you tell someone who's thinking about coming to Zimbabwe and is thinking about staying at your place? Why should they stay here?
You should come to stay here because we give you the best Zimbabwean warmth you can get. And you can't get it from anywhere else. We have a friendly housekeeping team. I think they're busy now, but that's one of our best assets here. Then we also we are near the new Parliament, which is very close to here. We are near shops for your convenience, and I think the other things I've already mentioned why you should come here. Like we have got unlimited Wi-Fi, we have got housekeeping and other amenities. But I think the major takeaway is we've got friendly staff, so you should definitely come here.
Okay, wonderful. And tell them again how they can find you.
So you can find me at we're on Airbnb, and it's Thornpark Garden Villas. You can book via Airbnb, or you can reach me on my number, which is 0716 066 624. I respond in seconds. If I don't respond in seconds, then that's not me. So you can reach us there. We're on Facebook as well, Thornpark Garden Villas. On Instagram, Thornpark Garden Villas. We're on TikTok here. I'm on TikTok as well as Jules the BNB.
You're a busy man.
Yeah, I'm busy on online and offline.
Perfect.
So,
Brilliant. Thank you. You've heard it here. Come through if you're in Zimbabwe.